5 effective tools for you to start your business today.
InShot is a quick video editing app. If you are into content business and you need to edit videos for your ads, this is the app for you. If you're using email marketing as marketing tool to grow your business, then you should definitely use Get Response to send automatic emails to your clients. If your business is for educational purposes or you are a mentor, then this tool is one of the best for consulting and coaching businesses. You can create your free and paid courses on Teachable to host for your students can watch at ease. If you're into competitive business and want to rank your website organically, we're looking to copy advertising strategies of your competitors. You can easily do it with SEMrush. Choose WordPress for thousands of free and premium themes to get your small business website or blog up and running in no time.